On this week's edition of Brown, we have a Contech. And yes, those are wood blades on this Contech, because the residential models do exist. Yeah, this is a 48-inch for wood blade Contech. Naturally, the motor says for commercial use only, but doesn't mean much. So, this one dates to 1983. It is a dark chocolate brown, not the reddish brown of newer Contechs. Alright, uses a 3/4 inch down rod, not ½ inch. Alright. The motor is cast iron and it's a lot heavier than the newer cast iron ones. A lot heavier. So, it is a 56-inch motor with 48-inch blades. These were, according to the box, they were available with the light kit adaptable option. Or rather, they were available light kit adaptable. This one's not. They were available in white, brown, as seen here, and brass. The box says 48, 56-inch, 60-inch, but I doubt wood blades came that large. But then again, we don't really know much about the residential Contechs. We don't. I got this one new in box. It is quite nice. Let's see what it does. I am using a solid state control for this. The blades of this fan may or may not be solid. I have not seen a seam. So they might be solid wood, who knows? Now for years, we've seen occasionally new in-box Contechs pop up that would show, oh, curved blade, straight blade, wood blade among the blade options, but we had never really seen a wood blade Contech until this one, and also recently when a light kit adaptable one popped up on eBay. So, very peculiar these things are. Blades don't have too much pitch, maybe 11 degrees. So this fan is probably going to work off of speed rather than pitch. Let's put it up a little bit more. Virtually no wobble. Very nice. A little faster. And straight to high. Now, like other Contechs, at least the ones that use the 56-inch motor, they're low torque motors. They take a while to get up to speed, sort of like SMC Lagunas. But once they get up to speed, they fly. Now, they used a 56-inch motor with these wood blades, I would imagine, because, heavier wood blades, low torque motor, best way to go. Yeah, naturally it hauls ass. let's let it coast. You know, it's funny. You think you've seen every vintage fan, every fan from the 70s and 80s that there is to see. And once you think you've seen everything, something rears its head, often an ugly head, and it changes everything. I think with newer Contex, cast iron ones at least, they used a thinner casting for the motor. So it's more lightweight. But this one, ooh, it's nice and thick. Yeah, like I said, Contact was more known for making industrials, not residential fans, not like this. Blade badges are somewhat unique. As for an OEM for these, I'm thinking it might be Fan Thing, which I think is the OEM for Canarm. You know, so I'm thinking they made this. It is made in China. So, I mean, you know, that much should tell you something, but yeah. But yeah, there you have it. 48-inch wood blade Contec spinner. I hope you enjoyed.